Hi friends, welcome to Upskill Academy. This is the part 2 video of Microsoft Azure Cloud playlist, and in this video we will discuss on how to create free account on Azure. The prerequisite for Azure free account is you should have credit card or debit card information and email address and phone number. Any phone number or email address you can use here while creating the account. So what you will get in this free Azure subscription. Azure's free subscription are designed to help individual startups and small to medium sized businesses which help to reduce the cost of cloud computing infrastructure, and these services allow you to explore and test a new application while evaluating the benefit of cloud computing. And when you sign up for the Azure free account on the first time, you will receive $200, which means approximately 17,000 INR in credit that you can use within the first 30 days. And these credits enable you to experiment with various Azure services without any upfront cost. In addition to this credit, Azure offers two categories of free services. The first one is popular services, free for 12 months, and the second one is more than 40 services are always free. Please remember that after your initial 30 days free credit expires, you will need to upgrade to a paid subscription to continue using paid services. How to create the Azure free subscription? Let me show you. First of all, you just have to go to Azure homepage. I will provide you the link in the description, or you can also visit azure.com, or you can just go to azure.microsoft.com, which is the official website for creating the Microsoft Azure account. So let me click on this link first. It will redirect me to Azure portal. Okay, you can see here azure.microsoft.com. Once I landed on this page, you can see here there is a button called Get Started with Azure. Let me click here. Once I click here, you can see the second window appear. In that, you just have to click on Try Azure for free. Let me click on Try for Azure free. As soon as I click on this button, the new window will pop up and it is asking me to pick an account. So let me click on Use another account, and I'll use an email address to sign up onto the Azure portal. You can also create a new account if you don't have any mail address with you, whether it is Gmail address or any Yahoo address. You can also create an account directly. Let me click on next now. So it is saying that you couldn't find an account with that username. Try another or get a Microsoft account. It is asking me to get a Microsoft account. So what I will do here in this case, I will create a new account first. While creating an account, it is asking me create your Microsoft account. So it is picking this email address now. Now what I will do, it is also showing me the message like looks like you don't have an account with us. You will create one for using upskill academy training at gmail.com. So let me click on next. So in this step, it send me the code to verify my email address. So what I will do, I will first of all go to my email address to verify the address first. Those account which you are using, that email address can be used for verification purpose. All right. So let me type my code here. Now it is asking me to add some more details here. You require to select the region or country. Once you select the region or country, you require to select the month, day and year. That means date of birth. Let me select it first. I have typed here my date of birth. Now let me go to the next step. Now it is asking me for the first name and last name. Let me add some first name here. and then last name I'll type here. Remember that if you are entering your personal first name and last name, it should be completely okay. But here in this case, I have created a separate email address for my upskill academy. That's why I am giving some first name and last name on my academy's name. Otherwise, you can also put your information about your first name as well as last name. Now let me click on next. All right. Now it goes for the next step to check the validity, right? So let me click on press and hold. It is just checking whether you are human or any AI which is creating an account. All right. It is showing me the pop-up to choose whether you save your passkey or login for Microsoft account. So what I will do in this case, I will select any phone or tablet method and I will use the phone here to authenticate myself. So on my mobile phone, I am opening any QR code scanner so that I can be authenticated by using this QR code. And let me click on open on my mobile phone. You just have to click on allow yourself. All right. Now you can see the passkey is created for creating an account. Let me click on OK now. All right. Now there is a steps to follow for creating a free Azure account first time. Now it is asking me a lot of information and I had to enter this information. The first one is profile information. How do you plan to use Azure account? So there are two options. The using of Azure account is for personal use or any connection with organization, university, research group or NGO. So let me select the first option because this account I will be creating for personal use. Now the second option is to select the country or region. Here by default India is selected, which is my country, and uh, I'm not changing anything here. Now it is asking me to enter the first name as well as last name. So remember in the last video, so remember in the last pop-up, we have already entered the first name as well as last name. So I'm not changing here anything as well as email address. So here the email address is also gets captured. Now it is asking me to enter the phone number. Let me enter the phone number here. All right. And it is asking me for the company name. So let me add the company name here and then done. Click on next. So it will go to the second page. Now you need to enter the address, city, state, postal code, that kind of information. So let me add here. I'm selecting a state called Maharashtra. All right. Once you enter your address as well as city and the state along with the postal code, you just have to select this checkbox. Click on next. It is authenticating my address information now. You can see here you will get USD 200 credit to use in your first 30 days and free monthly amount of 20 plus popular services for 12 months, which is absolutely free of cost. Now it is asking me to enter the card number, card holder name, expiry, CVV, address, and some more information about mine. So since this is my personal information, Let me stop the video first and enter all this information. Now I have added all my credit card information. Let me click on sign up. Alright, it is asking me to enter the code here. Let me enter the code. Remember one thing, whenever you are signing up with your credit card, that credit card is connected with your phone number so that you will get the OTP. Alright, so I am now signing up with my Microsoft account. Let me click on sign up again and click on next. Now it is confirming all my information here, and it is redirecting to the Azure portal. If you see here, we have successfully logged in and signed up with the Microsoft Azure account. This is how the portal looks like of Microsoft Azure. And in the next video, we will be seeing which kind of services we require in a data engineering field. Now, if you want to cancel your subscription anytime, all you have to do, just go to your account, click on the subscription. You can see here, there is a subscription button. As soon as you click on here, you need to select the subscription name. So my subscription name is now Azure subscription one. Let me select this one. Once you select this, you can see some icon here like rename, change directory, feedback, as well as cancel subscription. So anytime if you don't want to work with the Azure account, then you can cancel your subscription. I hope this video gave you an idea about how to create an Azure account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Upskill Academy channel. Thank you for watching.